Close your eyes and imagine a cluttered room, piles of laundry, dusty surfaces, scattered objects. Now picture it spotless in seconds. That's the illusion we chase when cleaning, but science shows our brains react to order. A clean space isn't just about removing dirt, it's about restoring control. When things look organized, our minds feel a sense of accomplishment. But the real work happens in the detail sorting, organizing, and creating systems that keep chaos at bay. So next time you tackle a mess, remember, you're not just cleaning, you're rewriting the rules of your space. Look at this laundry room, spacious, but empty walls make it feel unfinished. Why? Because unused spaces create visual clutter, even when they're clean. Studies show that our brains crave purpose in every corner. A wire shelf isn't enough. We need built-in storage to feel organized. The result? Less stress and more control over chaos. Next time you clean, think about the hidden potential in empty spaces. It's where true transformation begins. Meet the Dreame L50 Ultra, a robot vacuum with 20,000 PA suction and a self-cleaning mop that heats to 75 degrees Celsius for deep sanitization. It handles pet hair, dust, and stains effortlessly. But why does this tech matter? Because it saves you time to transform cluttered spaces, like turning an empty laundry wall into organized built-in storage. That's the real transformation tech that works for you, so you can design your space and your life better. Ever notice how a ferret's den is always spotless? They instinctively create order-piling bedding just so and leaving clear pathways to food and water. Humans do the same when we organize a room. We rewire space for function, not just aesthetics. That empty laundry wall isn't unused, it's a void begging for purpose. Built-in storage transforms clutter into structure, reducing stress by working with our brain's need for order. Cleanliness isn't just about dust, it's about design that feels right. This laundry room feels unfinished because empty walls create visual noise. Our brains sense unused space as disorder. A single wire shelf isn't enough. Built-in storage gives purpose to every corner, reducing stress by controlling chaos. Think of it like an empty desk. Without structure, even clean spaces feel incomplete. True transformation starts when we design for function, not just tidiness. Look at this laundry room, spacious but unfinished. Why? Because empty walls create visual noise even when they're clean. Traditional wire shelves don't cut it. We need built-in storage to feel truly organized. The science? Our brains crave purpose in every corner. Built-in workstations turn unused spaces into functional zones, reducing stress and reclaiming control over chaos. Next time you clean, think about the hidden potential in empty walls. It's where true transformation begins. Ever wonder why a messy room feels heavier than it looks? It's not just dust or dirt, it's your brain reacting to visual chaos. Studies show we process spaces in layers, like a computer rendering depth. That pile of laundry isn't just fabric, it's a mental roadblock. Your brain struggles to map paths around clutter, creating stress signals. Even small disruptions, like a single misplaced item on a shelf, trigger our cleanup instinct because order is hardwired into human behavior. Think of it like a puzzle. The more pieces are scattered, the harder your brain works to solve it. That's why deep cleaning isn't just about scrubbing, it's rewiring how you see space itself. This laundry room isn't just a storage problem, it's part of a bigger pattern. Empty walls aren't just blank, they're wasted potential, like unused space in our fight against climate change. Every unused surface is an opportunity to reduce waste and reclaim order. Think about it, durable materials last longer, cutting down on replacements and landfill clutter. It's not just about tidying up, it's about designing spaces that work for the planet too. Small changes here can make a big difference elsewhere. Look at this laundry room now transformed. Built-in workstations replace empty walls, turning wasted space into functional zones. Why does this feel like magic? Our brains love order. Clutter isn't just mess, it's mental noise. Studies show our eyes process spaces in layers, like reading a book. A pile of laundry isn't just fabric, it's visual clutter that strains our focus. But when everything has its place, our brain relaxes. This isn't just about cleaning, it's rewiring how we see space. Small changes here can reduce stress and even help the planet by cutting waste. Ever noticed how a clean room feels lighter? That's your brain celebrating balance. Deep cleaning isn't just about scrubbing surfaces, it's a mental reset. Studies show our brains process clutter like a computer rendering depth, straining focus and triggering stress signals. That pile of laundry? It's not just fabric, it's visual noise disrupting your brain's ability to map space efficiently. Even small disruptions like a misplaced item activate our cleanup instinct, because order is hardwired into human behavior. But here's the twist. Deep cleaning isn't just about tidying up, it's about rewiring how you see space. When every object has its place, your brain relaxes, and that clean room doesn't just look lighter, it feels lighter. Look at this room before and after. The transformation isn't just about dust disappearing, it's your brain celebrating order. Studies show clutter isn't just visual noise, it strains focus like a computer processing depth, triggering stress signals. But when everything has its place, your mind relaxes. This isn't just cleaning, it's rewiring how you see space. Ever notice how a clean room feels lighter? That's your brain recognizing balance. And here's the twist, this satisfaction isn't accidental. Repetitive tasks like folding laundry create mental patterns, making deeply rewarding, en trekkenkorten field men bodendoin of the age that pertain of thanks if being comparatied for the turk. Watch this room go from cluttered chaos to organized perfection in under an hour. But the real magic isn't just about scrubbing dust away, it's what happens in your brain. Studies show that cleaning triggers dopamine, rewarding you for restoring order. Your eyes process messy spaces like a computer rendering depth, causing mental strain. But when everything has its place, your brain relaxes and suddenly the room feels lighter. This isn't just about tidying up, it's rewiring how your mind sees balance. Imagine this room as a blank canvas. Chaos is just paint splatters, but order? That's a masterpiece. The science says clutter isn't just visual noise, it's cognitive friction, like trying to solve a puzzle without the pieces fitting. But here's the secret, design for flow. Add a countertop, like in that laundry room makeover I mentioned, and suddenly your brain stops struggling. It's not about perfection, it's about giving every object its place so your mind can relax. Try this at home. Start small. A designated spot for keys, a drawer for ferret supplies, if you're brave enough, or even just clearing that one corner where the dust bunnies hide. Small changes rewire your brain to see balance, not just cleanliness. And when you do, you'll feel it, the satisfaction of order, like a mental reset button. Share your own before and after moments below, or subscribe